How to find birthday settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find birthday settings on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy. Click on it and then click settings, and here all you need to do just go down until you find profile information. Click on it and then click on this one, edit in basic info category, and then all you need to do is just manage here anything you want in birthday, birth year, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.